So once it's all set up and you log into the Virtual Tours Creator app, you're just gonna press the button on the screen and it will start rotating. It's gonna take 8 perfect HDR photos. Always keep all windows open, all the doors open, so you are able to look inside of every door from the hallway. See that on included floor plan. Also, never put the tripod on any furniture because that's not quite right. Okay? Keep a distance of at least 20 to 30 centimeters from any furniture. And the most important thing, always have a clear line of sight towards the next point where you're going to shoot the next panorama. It means if you're going to move the tripod from here to the staircase that we're going to move now to, make sure from the staircase you're going to see the point where you previously took a photo. That will allow us for a continuity in the virtual tour and nobody will get lost. Even though we moved just 2 meters away from the previous spot, we have a staircase. Never put the tripod on the stairs because it will not be leveled, but you need to see from here where we're going to go. We're going to take the next photo up on the landing, but if we only took the photo on the landing, we wouldn't see the tripod properly in the living room where it was standing. So we need one spot to connect, to have a clear line of sight. We just came up from downstairs. This is an L-shaped hallway. So what we need to do, we need to take more than one photo. Take one where the camera is standing now. So we have a clear line of sight downstairs. But there's a bedroom here and there's a bedroom there and the camera is in the bathroom. So we need to see the entrance to both bedrooms. That's why we have to take a photo here. And this is going to be our connection point in the hallway. Always, when you have long hallways or winding hallways, take a photo in front of all the doorways. And always make sure you take a photo of the property outside. Take a photo of the backyard, take a photo of the balcony. Also, include in your virtual tours the nearby park or a beach or any place of interest that may add value to the property. And this is it. You're ready to go and shoot your beautiful virtual tours with the VTC 360 set. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel. Go log into virtualtourscreator.com.au and create your first virtual tour for free. If you have any questions, hit me up on Facebook, leave your comments. Love you guys. I'm super excited for you to use it and I can't wait to see the results. See ya!